All right. Here is the 900 Rally Pro, all decked out in all of its glory. Time to go on our first trip together. Let's see how this goes. Are you extra comfy? Ready to go? Okay, do we have everything? Oh, she feels so heavy.
What's up, guys? I'm editing this video and you're hearing my voice afterwards. Unfortunately, the audio at high speed just is absolutely crap. I still want to post a video because it's such a sweet trip, so I'm going to do a little bit of voiceovers here and there at high speed so we can still get the footage out. And I don't want you suffering through the bad audio, so I did some voiceovers for you. So, what I was saying here is that we're off to Seattle. It's my first 2-up ride. I tell my girl to say hi and she waves at the camera. It's a beautiful morning. It's about 400 kilometers trip, but we're going to break it up with some stops. We have some ferry trips to take to go the back way into Seattle. So it's more fun. There's more views. So strap in, guys. We'll check back in a little bit when we hit the border, and it's going to be an awesome trip.
USA border. Let's go. Okay, so we're sitting in Abbotsford, and we're gonna go into Sumas, which is the American side of the Abbotsford/Sumas border crossing, and it looks empty AF, which is we're gonna breeze right through. It is early in the morning, about 9 a.m. So they will ask me to turn off the camera and take off my helmet, so I'm gonna do that out of respect before I even get there, because I know how it goes. Man, I don't want to. Not bad at all. Oh, I'm so excited. I've not done a border crossing in forever. Yeah, you feel that? Yeah, that's not good. I was gonna park right here. Fuck's sakes, man. What is going on with these fucking brakes? Okay. Before I get frustrated and hot and sweaty, I'm just going to take all this crap off. I did not expect to be using the tools. Thankfully, my Trax toolbox has a bit of tools in there. Guys, I had a braking problem and it was grabbing. It turned out the bolt worked its way out and grounded down the swing arm. It's hard to see on this camera because of the wide angle, and it's all the way over here. It's like silver on the inside, grounded down a lot. I'll show a picture from my iPhone. These were all loose. This bike is brand new, 2,500 kilometers on it maybe, and these were all loose. I've never had a rear sprocket loose like that in all my years of riding, 15 years of riding, especially a brand new bike. That is just gross. I know his bike is vibrating, but man, this thing, not a good start to its life. Nothing but problems. Like legit. It has a weird front bounce when you're riding it, which is a known problem since like the Tiger 800, so 10 years of that. The TFT is misaligned from center. The handlebars are to the right. There's so many little problems for such an expensive brand new bike. Really disappointed so far. And I just know it's going to be a battle and a half to get that warranted. I just know that's coming. It's going to be a crazy battle.
It's Snowcat from the future. I was just so mad here with the bike. There was no battle with warranty. They fixed it right away. Brand new swing arm, and Triumph was great. And then the other small points I was just bitching about are just small little bitches, and everything is good.
But we can keep on going to Seattle and not have to ruin the trip, thankfully. But once I hit Seattle, I'm going to maybe hit up see if they have a Triumph there or something, or try and hit something up, I don't know. And of course, we just wasted all that time. So now we need to get the fucking road on the show. Okay, bike, nothing else, please. Nothing else. Nothing else. There's a way to change my dash to miles per hour, but I forget how. Units. I don't think I can actually. Oh, that's nice, eh? Some air. Control your dog! Alright, we are going slow as hell. If these guys don't know how to convert miles an hour, 50 is about 80 or 90. So you can go way faster than 70. Let's go. 60 is 100. Okay, so we got past the problem with the sprocket. Now I'm just like overly paranoid about this bike, you know? First hour in and the sprocket's already coming apart, like not the best confidence. So we need to turn left here. This is Groshen Road. Yep. This guy's got it right. He's got 2 mountain bikes, a scooter up front, and a 701 Enduro. Man, Washington is just like BC. It would make sense because it's the same kind of area, but it's beautiful through here. The all-American roads, the all-American little towns. Oh, that's why GPS is going here. Okay, we got a detour. So we can't go straight. That's why it's doing that. Gotcha. So beautiful temperature outside. My bike's saying 22 degrees Celsius. And we're just enjoying small town Washington. We're going to be heading to the coast right away here, get some coastal air and a quick coffee. It's supposed to have more time to relax, but now we need to make the ferry. So we're coming into the back way into Seattle. We're doing 2 ferries. So we got to quickly hit a coffee for brekkie. And then, there's Rogers saying, welcome to the U.S. So I'm using my data for, that's the only downside. You have to have your phone data on to use the Triumph maps through the dash, which is annoying. Didn't seem to really want to work without a data connection. So I wish it would allow you to download stuff onto the Triumph app. The Triumph app is horrendous if you can get it to work. So far so good. It's doing a good job. I'm going to get a GPS up here eventually. But yeah. We'll return once we get to some more fun roads and some more coastal views. We're just going to eat up these interior kilometers, these interior miles, and we'll catch you in a little bit. Here we go. There is the Pacific Ocean, right? Yeah, Pacific Ocean. Let's not be stupid. Well, actually, technically it's one big ocean because all the water touches each other. But yeah, so this is the Pacific Ocean. And then the ocean in between us and Europe is Atlantic, if I'm smart enough nowadays. Oh, that's awesome. So can you see BC? Can you see Canada? Man, we're such tourists. Oh, look at these houses. What the hell? Look, they're on stilts. Oh, we're in Bellingham, Washington. There we go. Oh, this is beautiful coastline. It just feels coasty now. You know what I mean? Oh, look at those places. Man, we're in Seymour. I get like Huntington Beach vibes now. Like, oh, I feel like I'm in the States now for sure. It's so beach vibes here now. Like Newport, Huntington Beach. Oh yeah. Which I'm sure has nice little views, but we can't make it. Oh yeah, damn. This thing is so chonky. There we go. That's America right there. America. Yeah. Tram, yeah. Those are old though, and they're no longer used. They got some concrete over them. There we go. Da, 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 da. Right, honey?
Alaska Ferry, that's right, they're on ferry to go to Alaska. So you don't have to do any border crossing. So if you're in the States, you're in the States.
To the left. Oh, sorry, babe. Chucklemount Drive North. Chucklemount Drive. That's Park Ridge Road. So we're gonna go. See, that should be slight left. West Bow Hill Road. Turn right. And then
Okay, so we just passed through Bellingham. We now have some cool roads to get us out to the coast, right on the coast, and then down to the ferry. I don't know how much time we'll have because we are delayed, so I need to do some calculations if we can really stop for some food or not, but we'll test that out in a little bit here. But until then, we'll just enjoy some scenic riding. This is awesome.
my girlfriend says I sound like a tour guide.
Oh yeah.
They were two up with all this luggage and we're cruising this road together. Look, Longhorn Saloon. Now this is small town America. These crazy roads. Skyview Edson? No, Bayview Edson. Yeah, it is. Fuck. Fuck. Has a different name now, apparently. Oh my god.
know it's going to be good when it says Scenic Vista pullouts ahead. So it's going to be good. People are going really slow here because they want to look but don't park. Oh, this is awesome. That's a big boat. Oh, that is absolutely gorgeous. We off-roading now. Look at this. Look at these. I used to know what those were. T165 something? I don't know. Okay, so we're just turning off the main freeway at 20, and then we're going to come, I think, out to the coast. This takes us a bit. But we're a little bit behind on the ferry. So hopefully in this peak, or doesn't take us too much away from the Google Maps time to the ferry. So I don't think we've late. But we are a motorcycle, so we can get on, and we can take the next one as standby because we are a motorcycle, which is 30 minutes, 30 minutes later. That's just messing it up for our next ferry, and then also the hotel check-in. So, and dinner planned tonight. They're my birthday dinner. So, trying our best to hit both, but to see what happens.
Little pit stop After the initial issues, everything seems to be good. But check this out. We are just coming down the coast now, so not quite California coast. I miss the California coast. This guy loves my license plate. Not a bad plate, hey, for an adventure bike.
Yeah, perfect.
Have a good one, guys. Thank you. Where to, guys? Good, you?
You Elliot?
Yes. That's kind of weird.
Well, you came to the reservation
Wow, you're a smart man.
at 11:15.
I got all these. And do you mind opening? I got
Yeah.
I got one to Seattle, I think, from Brainsbridge, and I got one for here. Hopefully it's the right one. Sweet. Thank you very much. Lane 6. Thank you, sir. How long is the ferry abouts to the other side?
A half hour.
Half an hour? Is there food on board or no?
There is.
There is? Sick. Thank you so much.
It was good food.
My sprocket decided to shoot out a bolt, so we had to fix that. So we're a little behind. Didn't get breakfast, so we'll take anything. See you, man. We're going to be told to turn left here into the bike. We're a little tight here, bud. There we go.